Hi. Hi, good morning. Um, Today we'll learn something about relating relating certain information from another worksheet. For example, this January 95. You see 95,000? It actually taking information from the January sales track. See right here, 95,000. So how can you do that? Show the information right here. Now one way is to look at this information 95 and then go here, go to this, click on this sheet, go to the respective cell and type 95,000. Right, that will work for this time. But what if the information here has changed? Let's say I change this to 35,000. Now it's changed to 97,000. We go back to half year report. It's still 95,000 because this is what the term as static. So 95,000, 97,000. So I need to go here and then change to 97,000. Right, if you're a beginner, you have no idea how to do this, but today I'm going to show you. So now I'm going to remove this by hitting the delete key, and I'll use a linked cell concept. The linked cell starts with an equal sign. Now notice that I click the equal sign on half year report. That means the destination. Now I gotta tell Excel where do I take the information from. So after you press equal sign, now this is January, so it would be on January sales track. So I click on January sales track and I click on cell E30. And once I'm done that, I click enter. So that's 97,000. Then it's February. So I do the same, and you can follow along. Equal sign. So now it's February. Click equal, and then you click on February sales track, and click on the cell E30. Then notice that you need to enter. Let me double click the tab. Also go to the wheel. You notice that there's no formula bar. Right, go to wheel. I click on formula bar. Let's do it again. Equal. Okay, I'm in half year reports. Click equals, match. Click on this. Now notice that in the formula bar it says March sales track and then followed by an exclamation mark. So that means that everything before this exclamation mark is referring to the sheet March sales track. And then you gotta tell Excel in this sheet which cell you want to link to. So it's E13. Once you've done that, right, do not click back on half year report, but immediately press enter. So we do the last one, equal. Click on April sales track. Now notice that there's nothing there, but you can still enter the cell that represents the total of that month, the actual sales of the month, and then press enter. So it shows you 0. Okay, so this is it. Right, next I'm going to show you how to, when I click on January, it will actually brings you to the January sales track rather than clicking on the tab here. Now let me decide. When I'm interested in January information, I just click on the January or select the cells, and Excel will bring me to the January sales track. So see you in the next topic. Thank you.